Me lo diste ayer.
You gave it to me yesterday.
Te lo prometí.
I promised it to you.
Nos lo explicaron.
They explained it to us.
Se lo dije.
I told it to him.
Me lo encontré.
I found it.
Te lo entrego ahora.
I'll give it to you now.
Se lo mostraron.
They showed it to him.
Me lo preguntaron.
They asked me about it.
Te lo voy a traer.
I'm going to bring it to you.
Nos lo ofrecieron.
They offered it to us.
Se lo explicaron bien.
They explained it to him well.
Me lo trajeron ayer.
They brought it to me yesterday.
Te lo conté antes.
I told you before.
Nos lo dijeron ayer.
They told us yesterday.
Se lo voy a dar.
I'm going to give it to him.
Me lo dejaron en la mesa.
They left it for me on the table.
Te lo compré hoy.
I bought it for you today.
Nos lo mandaron por correo.
They sent it to us by mail.
Se lo llevo a su casa.
I take it to his house.
Me lo guardaste.
You kept it for me.
Te lo preparé.
I prepared it for you.
Nos lo dieron gratis.
They gave it to us for free.
Se lo entregué esta mañana.
I delivered it to him this morning.
Me lo dijeron ayer.
They told it to me yesterday.
Te lo dejo aquí.
I'll leave it here for you.
Nos lo regalaron.
They gave it to us as a gift.
Se lo pedí ayer.
I asked him for it yesterday.
Me lo olvidé en casa.
I forgot it at home.
Te lo acepto.
I accept it from you.
Nos lo enviaron ayer.
They sent it to us yesterday.
Se lo mandé por correo.
I sent it to him by mail.
Me lo explicaron bien.
They explained it to me well.
Te lo cuento luego.
I'll tell you later.
Nos lo dieron rápidamente.
They gave it to us quickly.
Se lo llevo a su oficina.
I take it to his office.
Me lo vendieron barato.
They sold it to me cheaply.
Te lo dije esta mañana.
I told you this morning.
Nos lo dejaron en la puerta.
They left it at the door for us.
Se lo dejé en la mesa.
I left it on the table for him.
Nos lo prepararon juntos.
They prepared it for us together.
Se lo pedí al jefe.
I asked the boss for it.
Te lo enseño después.
I'll show it to you later.
Nos lo mandaron con urgencia.
They sent it to us urgently.
Me lo dieron de regalo.
They gave it to me as a gift.
Se lo contaré mañana.
I'll tell him tomorrow.
Te lo voy a enviar hoy.
I'm going to send it to you today.
Nos lo dejaron en el coche.
They left it in the car for us.
Se lo di a su hermana.
I gave it to his sister.
Nos lo explicaron de manera clara.
They explained it to us clearly.
Me lo encontré en el parque.
I found it in the park.
Te lo mostré ayer.
I showed it to you yesterday.
Nos lo enviaron con retraso.
They sent it to us late.
Se lo traen todos los días.
They bring it to him every day.
Me lo regalaron por mi cumpleaños.
They gave it to me for my birthday.
Te lo conseguí para ti.
I got it for you.
Nos lo dijeron en la reunión.
They told us in the meeting.
Se lo debo a mi amigo.
I owe it to my friend.
Te lo compré para ti.
I bought it for you.
Nos lo mandaron por error.
They sent it to us by mistake.
Me lo dejaron en la oficina.
They left it for me at the office.
Nos lo dieron de forma inesperada.
They gave it to us unexpectedly.
Me lo explicaron en detalle.
They explained it to me in detail.
Se lo di ayer.
I gave it to him yesterday.
Te lo dejé en la mesa.
I left it for you on the table.
Nos lo entregaron directamente.
They delivered it to us directly.
Se lo pregunté a mi madre.
I asked my mom about it.
Me lo dieron en el evento.
They gave it to me at the event.
Te lo ofrecí antes.
I offered it to you before.
Se lo pedí en la tienda.
I asked for it at the store.
Te lo voy a dejar aquí.
I'm going to leave it here for you.
Nos lo entregaron personalmente.
They delivered it to us personally.
Se lo conté a mi hermana.
I told my sister about it.
Te lo voy a decir ahora.
I'm going to tell you now.
Nos lo dieron antes de salir.
They gave it to us before leaving.
Te lo conseguiré pronto.
I'll get it for you soon.
Se lo debo a él.
I owe it to him.
Nos lo enviaron a la oficina.
They sent it to us at the office.
Me lo pidieron esta mañana.
They asked me for it this morning.
Te lo dejé en el coche.
I left it in the car for you.
Se lo encontré ayer.
I found it for him yesterday.
Te lo voy a explicar.
I'm going to explain it to you.
Me lo dieron durante el viaje.
They gave it to me during the trip.
Se lo dijeron a todos.
They told it to everyone.
Nos lo compraron en la tienda.
They bought it for us at the store.
Me lo ofrecieron gratis.
They offered it to me for free.
Te lo explico mañana.
I'll explain it to you tomorrow.
Nos lo entregaron hoy.
They delivered it to us today.
Te lo debo a ti.
I owe it to you.
Nos lo mandaron el viernes.
They sent it to us on Friday.
Se lo dije hace una hora.
I told him an hour ago.
Me lo pidieron hace poco.
They asked me for it recently.
Se lo dije en privado.
I told him in private.
Te lo comparto con gusto.
I share it with you gladly.
Nos lo ofrecieron ayer.
They offered it to us yesterday.
Me lo contaron esta mañana.
They told me about it this morning.
Te lo guardé en tu bolso.
I kept it in your bag for you.
Nos lo pidieron con urgencia.
They asked us for it urgently.
Me lo dejaron en la tienda.
They left it for me at the store.
Nos lo enviaron por la mañana.
They sent it to us in the morning.
Me lo pidieron en la fiesta.
They asked me for it at the party.
Te lo expliqué hace poco.
I explained it to you recently.
Nos lo dejaron en la oficina.
They left it for us at the office.
Se lo ofrecí al final.
I offered it to him at the end.
Te lo traje de vuelta.
I brought it back to you.
Me lo preguntaron ayer.
They asked me about it yesterday.
Nos lo dijeron en el correo.
They told us in the email.
Te lo traigo mañana.
I'll bring it to you tomorrow.
Nos lo dijeron claramente.
They told us clearly.
Nos lo dejaron en el cuarto.
They left it for us in the room.
Te lo encontré en la calle.
I found it for you on the street.
Se lo dejaron en el coche.
They left it for him in the car.
Me lo ofrecieron antes.
They offered it to me before.
Se lo mostré esta mañana.
I showed it to him this morning.
Te lo explico nuevamente.
I'll explain it to you again.
Se lo devolví a mi amigo.
I returned it to my friend.
Nos lo prepararon con amor.
They prepared it for us with love.
Nos lo contaron en clase.
They told us in class.
Te lo traigo enseguida.
I'll bring it to you right away.
Se lo conté a mi amigo.
I told it to my friend.
Me lo pidieron urgentemente.
They asked me for it urgently.
Nos lo dijeron en privado.
They told us in private.
Te lo dejé en tu habitación.
I left it for you in your room.
Nos lo ofrecieron con gusto.
They offered it to us gladly.
Se lo compré ayer.
I bought it for him yesterday.
Nos lo mandaron por teléfono.
They sent it to us by phone.
Se lo contaron con detalle.
They told him in detail.
Me lo explicaron ayer.
They explained it to me yesterday.
Se lo dieron en la fiesta.
They gave it to him at the party.
Nos lo regalaron por Navidad.
They gave it to us for Christmas.
Te lo preparé con cariño.
I prepared it for you with care.
Nos lo dijeron con entusiasmo.
They told us enthusiastically.
Se lo pidieron a su hermano.
They asked his brother for it.
Te lo acepté con gusto.
I accepted it from you gladly.
Te lo compré en descuento.
I bought it for you at a discount.
Me lo dejaron en el recibidor.
They left it for me in the hallway.
Nos lo mandaron en paquete.
They sent it to us in a package.
Nos lo ofrecieron al final.
They offered it to us at the end.
Se lo dejé en su oficina.
I left it for him in the office.
Te lo explico en detalle.
I'll explain it to you in detail.
Te lo trajo mi hermano.
My brother brought it to you.
Se lo conté cuando llegué.
I told him when I arrived.
Te lo guardé para ti.
I kept it for you.
Nos lo mandaron el martes.
They sent it to us on Tuesday.
Se lo pregunté al profesor.
I asked the professor about it.
Te lo dije con cariño.
I told you with affection.
Me lo ofrecieron de inmediato.
They offered it to me immediately.
Te lo conté en confianza.
I told you in confidence.
Nos lo pidieron en la tienda.
They asked us for it in the store.
Se lo dejé en su cuarto.
I left it for him in the room.
Me lo trajeron de nuevo.
They brought it to me again.
Te lo traen mañana.
They'll bring it to you tomorrow.
Se lo pidieron a la secretaria.
They asked the secretary for it.
Me lo dejaron en el trabajo.
They left it for me at work.
Se lo compré en el mercado.
I bought it for him at the market.
Nos lo dejaron para la fiesta.
They left it for us for the party.
Se lo explicaron a él.
They explained it to him.
Me lo regalaron por mi boda.
They gave it to me for my wedding.
Te lo enviaron por correo.
They sent it to you by mail.
Nos lo entregaron ayer.
They delivered it to us yesterday.
Te lo conté antes de salir.
I told you before leaving.
Me lo contaron ayer.
They told me about it yesterday.
Nos lo enviaron hoy.
They sent it to us today.
Te lo dejaron en el banco.
They left it for you at the bank.
Se lo expliqué con calma.
I explained it to him calmly.
Me lo trajeron hace poco.
They brought it to me recently.
Nos lo entregaron a tiempo.
They delivered it to us on time.
Se lo pedí con mucho gusto.
I asked for it from him gladly.
Te lo voy a mandar pronto.
I'm going to send it to you soon.
Se lo pregunté esta mañana.
I asked him about it this morning.
Nos lo regalaron al final.
They gave it to us at the end.
Te lo tengo listo.
I have it ready for you.
Se lo trajeron ayer.
They brought it to him yesterday.
Me lo enviaron el lunes.
They sent it to me on Monday.
Me lo guardaron en la caja.
They kept it for me in the box.
Nos lo dijeron en la llamada.
They told us on the call.
Te lo preparé todo.
I prepared everything for you.
Nos lo enviaron anoche.
They sent it to us last night.
Me lo dejaron en el banco.
They left it for me at the bank.
Se lo pedí hace un momento.
I asked him for it a moment ago.
Se lo dejaron en el parque.
They left it for him in the park.
Nos lo trajeron rápido.
They brought it to us quickly.
Nos lo ofrecieron de inmediato.
They offered it to us immediately.
Se lo enviaron ayer.
They sent it to him yesterday.
Me lo regalaron el año pasado.
They gave it to me last year.
Te lo dejé en la cocina.
I left it for you in the kitchen.
Nos lo mostraron ayer.
They showed it to us yesterday.
Nos lo mostraron en el video.
They showed it to us in the video.
Se lo dijimos a todos.
We told it to everyone.
Me lo dejaron en el mostrador.
They left it for me at the counter.
Te lo vi en el cajón.
I saw it for you in the drawer.
Se lo explicaron con paciencia.
They explained it to him patiently.
Se lo arreglé ayer.
I fixed it for him yesterday.
Me lo contaron en secreto.
They told me in secret.
Nos lo dieron en el evento.
They gave it to us at the event.
Te lo traen esta noche.
They'll bring it to you tonight.
Nos lo dejaron en el vestíbulo.
They left it for us in the lobby.
Nos lo explicaron muy bien.
They explained it to us very well.
Me lo dijeron mientras comía.
They told me while I was eating.
Te lo voy a traer más tarde.
I'm going to bring it to you later.
Me lo dejaron en el café.
They left it for me at the cafe.
Se lo pedí al secretario.
I asked the secretary for it.
Me lo pidieron ayer.
They asked me for it yesterday.
Nos lo dejaron en el pasillo.
They left it for us in the hallway.
Me lo mandaron ayer.
They sent it to me yesterday.
Nos lo contaron en la conferencia.
They told us at the conference.
Te lo expliqué con calma.
I explained it to you calmly.
Se lo dejaron en la puerta.
They left it for him at the door.
Nos lo ofrecieron después.
They offered it to us afterwards.
Te lo dije de inmediato.
I told you immediately.
Se lo mandaron por correo urgente.
They sent it to him by urgent mail.
Nos lo ofrecieron con una sonrisa.
They offered it to us with a smile.
Me lo dejaron en la estación.
They left it for me at the station.
Te lo trajeron directamente.
They brought it to you directly.
Me lo dieron a la hora.
They gave it to me on time.
Nos lo explicaron en detalle.
They explained it to us in detail.
Te lo preparé con amor.
I prepared it for you with love.
Nos lo dejaron en la tienda.
They left it for us at the store.
Me lo dijeron con mucho gusto.
They told me with great pleasure.
Se lo mandaron por error.
They sent it to him by mistake.
Te lo explico con calma.
I'll explain it to you calmly.
Se lo di a mi hermano.
I gave it to my brother.
Me lo explicaron en la clase.
They explained it to me in class.
Te lo enviaron ayer.
They sent it to you yesterday.
Nos lo contaron después.
They told us afterwards.
Te lo conté en privado.
I told you in private.
Te lo mandé por correo.
I sent it to you by mail.
Se lo dije con calma.
I told him calmly.
Te lo explicaron en detalle.
They explained it to you in detail.
Nos lo ofrecieron a todos.
They offered it to all of us.
Se lo mandaron a su casa.
They sent it to his house.
Nos lo trajeron de vuelta.
They brought it back to us.
Te lo traigo ahora mismo.
I'm bringing it to you right now.
Me lo ofrecieron hace poco.
They offered it to me recently.
Me lo dijeron de forma clara.
They told me clearly.
Nos lo ofrecieron primero.
They offered it to us first.
Se lo trajeron al trabajo.
They brought it to him at work.
Nos lo dijeron por teléfono.
They told us by phone.
Me lo pidieron por mensaje.
They asked me for it by message.
Me lo trajeron a casa.
They brought it to me at home.
Te lo dije cuando llegaste.
I told you when you arrived.
Se lo pedí hace un rato.
I asked him for it a while ago.
Nos lo enviaron el lunes pasado.
They sent it to us last Monday.
Te lo guardé en el cajón.
I kept it for you in the drawer.
Me lo dijeron al final.
They told me at the end.
Nos lo trajeron de inmediato.
They brought it to us immediately.
Se lo pedí antes de salir.
I asked him for it before leaving.
Me lo mandaron hace una semana.
They sent it to me a week ago.
Te lo encontré en tu coche.
I found it for you in your car.
Nos lo dijeron en voz baja.
They told us in a low voice.
Me lo dejaron en la puerta.
They left it for me at the door.
Te lo mandaron por correo urgente.
They sent it to you by urgent mail.
Nos lo dijeron antes de salir.
They told us before leaving.
Se lo ofrecí en el trabajo.
I offered it to him at work.
Nos lo dijeron con tristeza.
They told us with sadness.
Te lo dije hace un momento.
I told you a moment ago.
Se lo conté a mi familia.
I told it to my family.
Te lo expliqué de manera sencilla.
I explained it to you simply.
Se lo pregunté a mi amigo.
I asked my friend about it.
Me lo mostraron esta mañana.
They showed it to me this morning.
Se lo dejamos en la oficina.
We left it for him in the office.
Me lo pidieron en el trabajo.
They asked me for it at work.
Nos lo mandaron a casa.
They sent it to us at home.
Se lo pedí a mi hermana.
I asked my sister for it.
Se lo expliqué con paciencia.
I explained it to him patiently.
Te lo pedí para ti.
I asked for it for you.
Nos lo trajeron en el coche.
They brought it to us in the car.
Se lo ofrecieron con mucho gusto.
They offered it to him gladly.
Te lo traje ayer.
I brought it to you yesterday.
Se lo dije al final.
I told him at the end.
Se lo di con gusto.
I gave it to him gladly.
Me lo dejaron en el vestíbulo.
They left it for me in the lobby.
Nos lo pidieron en el hotel.
They asked us for it at the hotel.
Nos lo explicaron por teléfono.
They explained it to us by phone.
Te lo conseguí en la tienda.
I got it for you at the store.
Se lo ofrecí a mis padres.
I offered it to my parents.
Te lo expliqué hace un momento.
I explained it to you a moment ago.
Te lo mandé el lunes.
I sent it to you on Monday.
Se lo pedí en el trabajo.
I asked him for it at work.
Nos lo trajeron hace un rato.
They brought it to us a while ago.
Me lo dijeron al principio.
They told me at the beginning.
Te lo guardé en el bolso.
I kept it for you in the bag.
Se lo ofrecieron en el banco.
They offered it to him at the bank.
Me lo trajeron al final.
They brought it to me at the end.
Te lo ofrecí con gusto.
I offered it to you gladly.
Te lo entregaron ayer.
They delivered it to you yesterday.
Se lo pedí a mi amigo.
I asked my friend for it.
Me lo mandaron por correo.
They sent it to me by mail.
Se lo mostraron en el trabajo.
They showed it to him at work.
Me lo pidieron en la tienda.
They asked me for it at the store.
Nos lo dejaron en la mesa.
They left it for us on the table.
Se lo pidieron al profesor.
They asked the professor for it.
Te lo explicaron muy bien.
They explained it to you very well.
Me lo pidieron hace un momento.
They asked me for it a moment ago.
Te lo dejaron en el hotel.
They left it for you at the hotel.
Se lo enviaron hace poco.
They sent it to him recently.
Nos lo regalaron el año pasado.
They gave it to us last year.
Nos lo dijeron con calma.
They told us calmly.
Nos lo pidieron para la fiesta.
They asked us for it for the party.
Me lo dijeron a las 3.
They told me at 3 o'clock.
Te lo trajo mi hermana.
My sister brought it to you.
Se lo dieron después del examen.
They gave it to him after the exam.
Nos lo ofrecieron como regalo.
They offered it to us as a gift.
Te lo conté anoche.
I told you last night.
Me lo pidieron antes de irme.
They asked me for it before I left.
Se lo explicaron en clase.
They explained it to him in class.
Nos lo ofrecieron como opción.
They offered it to us as an option.
Se lo pidieron a su primo.
They asked his cousin for it.
Me lo dejaron en el parque.
They left it for me at the park.
Me lo enviaron en un paquete.
They sent it to me in a package.
Te lo traen a las 5.
They'll bring it to you at 5.
Se lo conté a mi jefe.
I told it to my boss.
Nos lo pidieron por teléfono.
They asked us for it by phone.
Te lo mostraré mañana.
I'll show it to you tomorrow.
Se lo explicaron en detalle.
They explained it to him in detail.
Me lo trajeron el lunes pasado.
They brought it to me last Monday.
Nos lo dejaron en el aeropuerto.
They left it for us at the airport.
Te lo llevo al gimnasio.
I'll bring it to you at the gym.
Nos lo pidieron en el parque.
They asked us for it at the park.
Me lo dijeron en el club.
They told me at the club.
Te lo mandaron por WhatsApp.
They sent it to you on WhatsApp.
Se lo pidieron a la enfermera.
They asked the nurse for it.
Nos lo ofrecieron en el hotel.
They offered it to us at the hotel.
Me lo explicaron en el colegio.
They explained it to me at school.
Se lo pregunté al camarero.
I asked the waiter about it.
Te lo trajeron al trabajo.
They brought it to you at work.
Nos lo pidieron en el banco.
They asked us for it at the bank.
Te lo guardé en la recepción.
I kept it for you at the reception.
Me lo dijeron en el cine.
They told me at the cinema.
Te lo pedí antes de la clase.
I asked you for it before class.
Me lo dejaron en el gimnasio.
They left it for me at the gym.
Nos lo pidieron en la clínica.
They asked us for it at the clinic.
Se lo pidieron en el gimnasio.
They asked him for it at the gym.
Te lo conté en el café.
I told you at the cafe.
Te lo dejaron en el vestíbulo.
They left it for you in the lobby.
Te lo guardé en el armario.
I kept it for you in the closet.
Nos lo ofrecieron en el café.
They offered it to us at the cafe.
Te lo mandaron en el paquete.
They sent it to you in the package.
Nos lo ofrecieron en el parque.
They offered it to us at the park.
Nos lo pidieron en la panadería.
They asked us for it at the bakery.
Me lo ofrecieron en el gimnasio.
They offered it to me at the gym.
Te lo guardé en el cine.
I kept it for you at the cinema.
Se lo pidieron a la peluquera.
They asked the hairdresser for it.
Me lo explicaron en el gimnasio.
They explained it to me at the gym.
Se lo trajeron al zoológico.
They brought it to him at the zoo.
Nos lo ofrecieron en el spa.
They offered it to us at the spa.
Me lo trajeron al café.
They brought it to me at the cafe.
Te lo pedí en la recepción.
I asked for it at the reception.
Me lo trajeron al trabajo.
They brought it to me at work.
Te lo pidieron en el escritorio.
They asked you for it at the desk.
Te lo explicaron en la clase.
They explained it to you in class.
Se lo mostraron en la escuela.
They showed it to him at school.
Nos lo dejaron en la biblioteca.
They left it for us in the library.
Te lo dejaron en la cancha.
They left it for you at the court.
Se lo pidieron al entrenador.
They asked the coach for it.
Nos lo ofrecieron en el gimnasio.
They offered it to us at the gym.
Me lo dejaron en la despensa.
They left it for me in the pantry.
Nos lo trajeron a casa.
They brought it to us at home.
Te lo guardé en el refrigerador.
I kept it for you in the fridge.
Nos lo trajeron después de la cena.
They brought it to us after dinner.
Se lo pidieron a la recepcionista.
They asked the receptionist for it.
Te lo trajeron a la habitación.
They brought it to you in the room.
Me lo trajeron del trabajo.
They brought it to me from work.
Nos lo trajeron a la tienda.
They brought it to us at the store.
Se lo explicaron al cliente.
They explained it to the client.
Me lo pidieron en el gimnasio.
They asked me for it at the gym.
Te lo ofrecieron en el club.
They offered it to you at the club.
Se lo pidieron al instructor.
They asked the instructor for it.
Me lo trajeron en la piscina.
They brought it to me at the pool.
Nos lo trajeron del gimnasio.
They brought it to us from the gym.
Me lo trajeron al bar.
They brought it to me at the bar.
Se lo explicaron al conductor.
They explained it to the driver.
Me lo pidieron en el parque.
They asked me for it at the park.
Nos lo trajeron al banco.
They brought it to us at the bank.
Te lo trajeron a la casa.
They brought it to you at home.
Nos lo trajeron al gimnasio.
They brought it to us at the gym.
Nos lo pidieron en el gimnasio.
They asked us for it at the gym.
Nos lo dejaron en el parque.
They left it for us at the park.
Se lo pidieron en el hotel.
They asked him for it at the hotel.
Me lo dijo ayer.
He told me yesterday.
Nos lo dieron ayer.
They gave it to us yesterday.
Me lo compré en la tienda.
I bought it at the store.
Se lo prestaron ayer.
They lent it to him yesterday.
Me lo encontré en el camino.
I found it on the way.
Te lo recomiendo.
I recommend it to you.
Nos lo trajeron ayer.
They brought it to us yesterday.
Se lo di la semana pasada.
I gave it to him last week.
Te lo quiero enseñar.
I want to show it to you.
Se lo expliqué claramente.
I explained it to him clearly.
Nos lo preguntaron ayer.
They asked us yesterday.
Te lo daré mañana.
I'll give it to you tomorrow.
Se lo devolví ayer.
I returned it to him yesterday.
Me lo dijeron en el trabajo.
They told me at work.
Nos lo dieron esta mañana.
They gave it to us this morning.
Se lo pidieron ayer.
They asked him for it yesterday.
Te lo expliqué antes.
I explained it to you before.
Nos lo dijeron anoche.
They told us last night.
Se lo compré en línea.
I bought it for him online.
Me lo dejaron en el coche.
They left it in the car for me.
Te lo puedo dar ahora.
I can give it to you now.
Nos lo pasaron ayer.
They passed it to us yesterday.
Se lo di con cariño.
I gave it to him with care.
Me lo mencionaron hoy.
They mentioned it to me today.
Nos lo enviaron por mensaje.
They sent it to us by message.
Se lo dije con respeto.
I told him respectfully.
Me lo pasaron rápido.
They passed it to me quickly.
Te lo voy a mostrar ahora.
I'm going to show it to you now.
Nos lo tomaron hace un rato.
They took it from us a while ago.
Me lo enseñaron ayer.
They taught it to me yesterday.
Te lo conté hace poco.
I told you recently.
Se lo mostré ayer.
I showed it to him yesterday.
Me lo tomaron prestado.
They borrowed it from me.
Te lo doy con gusto.
I give it to you with pleasure.
Se lo expliqué hace un rato.
I explained it to him a while ago.
Se lo dejé en su casa.
I left it at his house.
Me lo pasaron por error.
They passed it to me by mistake.
Me lo pidieron en la oficina.
They asked me for it at the office.
Se lo entregué ayer.
I delivered it to him yesterday.
Me lo devolvieron ayer.
They returned it to me yesterday.
Se lo quité de las manos.
I took it from his hands.
Te lo voy a contar pronto.
I'm going to tell you soon.